We about to get on there.
Where?
We are.
What, that?
Yes. What? Dark ride. And then there's also the bumper car. You want to do that first? I mean, yeah, you know what I meant.
Yeah.
Huh?
Where you going?
So, really?
Vlogs is out. The kids is out. They playing. Look, he don't know how to act. Look, round. Look at it. Family time, family time, family time. I mean, we popping out here. Cowboys gonna take that window. Watch. Fuck them Seahawks. I mean, we out here too. Vlogging and shit. We out here. They're the only ones on there. I mean, hold up. We out here. Let me switch up on my camera. Look, the vlog is popping. The kids is popping. Look. Holy shit. Look, y'all. They out there. I'm trying to get my drone together. There we go. Stay on it. We in it. Oh yeah. Look, they're around there somewhere. Mark over there. Somewhere. We out here. Check us out. Look. You understand? Look. There's a mark right there. Wham. Look. Don't get sick. I swear one of them gonna get sick, yo. Who's gonna get sick? Look, one. Look. Yo! Look at it. Look, now they're slowing down. They too shy to be on camera. They like 13 too shy to be on camera. We're gonna do the go-karts and have some fun. We out here. The vlogs is out here. Look.
Daddy, can we go on the thing I wanted?
Daddy. I gotta get something on my stomach.
Daddy, go on the rides outside.
I'm hungry.
Me too.
What is that? Oh, Mark, come here. Come here, Mark. Come here. Mark, come here. Look, slow down. We have all day. Do you understand? We have all day. Relax. We gotta be there by 5:30. This is 5. Let's see if we can set a time down with this virtual reality thing. Look at that, y'all.
I'm not going there. You can be with Rare the Vlog. Hi guys, my name is Nyla Warren.
Look. Come on, y'all. Stand together. Look, all together.
Come on, y'all.
Oh, look. All on together. The vlog. Man, we out here.
My name
Vlog.
is Nyla Warren, and I'm 13 years old, and yeah.
Alright.
Are we going outside?
You wanna go outside for a minute?
I want to go on a ride.
Let's go outside for a minute. Back to the address. Look.
Me too.
Hold up, do we gotta hold up? Do our pants? Team fresh. Look.
Rolling Thunder. So we about to get on the ride. Yeah. Tupac. We go down so fast. Tupac. So we gotta scan our bands before we go in there. Not me. Wait, what? My dad got a big head. Let's zoom in on him.
All of us is getting old. All of us. All of us is getting old.
Okay. Come on, Dad. I'll pay you. Perfect.
Daddy.
Look at all them dead bugs. Dad, get on. He's a punk. You see them dead bugs right there? The lantern flies. So now we gotta buckle our seatbelts. Dad, get on. She's scared to get on. Deja, you okay? No. Marky? Dad, can you please get on?
I really wish I was
Huh?
Nala. I wish I was real fat right now because I would have been able to stick on here.
Alright, that starts everybody. You ready? I'm gonna buckle this over top, okay? Okay.
He's scared to get on. Miss Fifi, you want to record? You want me to? Really? Everything he see, I see. He's scared. I got it. I hope so.
Alright. Everybody ready?
No.
Yeah.
Dad, you good? Dad, don't just flip. Here we go. Marky, you ready? Hold on. No. I'm scared. Danger! No. Stop it! Marky! Y'all, she's scared!
No, please don't fall. I feel like I lose my body every time it drops. I'm about to pin myself.
Marky, you okay?
Yeah. You alright? No, please.
She about to pee herself.
No. No, I really feel like my body is going away every time I freaking drop. Don't look down. Do not look down.
Not again. your mommy? She want her mommy. We done?